Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the speed of a clip in CapCut. First we have to open up CapCut, and here we have a project. We just click on it, and here we have a video which we want to edit and set the speed of. We click on the clip, and then here in the bottom row we find speed. We click on this, and here we have three options to select from. It's either normal, so we can slow it down, speed it up or slow it down. We have curve, which speeds up, then slows down, then speeds back up. Or we have velocity effects, which look like this. And basically these are the options that we have, and this is how we can do it. That's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.